Hi, welcome to another live video. It's live trading New Zealand USD. Can you see my sell entry? This is my entry levels, my stop loss, and this is my take profit. What do you think about this trade, guys? This is not a trade. I took uh, on sell entry. It's M15 minutes. Just see this. This is the M15, and today's 10th December. And another sell entry is running on ace on time frame, and this is another sell entry. And প্রায় হচ্ছে স্টপ লস টেক প্রফিট দুইটারই প্রায় সমান সমান জায়গাতে এবং hopefully within few minutes this trade will hit the target. And today's Friday, traders, 4:30 p.m. and now this pair has moved well, not problem. So thank you everybody, and I'm very glad to informed you about the indicator, about my live trade, about my live entry. Hope you guys understand properly. So thank you.